She ain't moving.
No, she is not.
That's kind of fun, Ira.
That was a large cat. Cheeseburger?
That's the last thing she needs.
Jilly. Oh my god. Hi. Oh! What? He's a 10, but his brain is made of shrimp.
Punk ass.
I will kill Patootie. We kill Patootie.
Nani?
Ay, qué bonito.
Yo, what's good? What's good? Can I go in there? Is it okay if I... Okay? Damn, bro.
This looks like the perfect time to scream at the top of my fucking lungs.
Hi, pretty kitty. Hi, pretty kitty. Oh, excuse me. I'm so sorry.
Achiziția de iarnă, care doriți pisoi.
Bro, please shut up.
You cannot do that. Stop.
Penny baby. Oh, hi. Everyone's wondering, how do you breathe when you sleep like that? Okay, I guess I'll just go myself then.
Every time I come in here? Fine. All right, other side. Yes. Oh my goodness.
She keeps sinking because she's laying in empty space. My feet are oh.
I know you're mad. But you're gonna learn to get along. Both of you. Understand?
No sushi. Sushi!
Come here, come here, come here. Come here, yeah, come. Yeah, back up.
Hi.
Gordon, you have a while till dinner. No.
What do you think he's thinking about? Why is he sitting like this?
Uy, çat. Kırgızmışsın çatpayt. Uktun bu?
Hey, you want to say that again? What? Oh my god. Great.
Are you ready to come inside, or are you still being grumpy? You really gonna be in the rain and get wet? Are you mad at me? Petty. You're only hurting yourself, you know.
Let me spank that butt. Let me spank that butt. Let me spank that butt. Let me spank that butt.
Kid, the mamu mau. A tata mau. A brata mau.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Scendi! Ecco chi ce l'hai? Scendi! Che t'ha preso? Dai!
Something not that chill happened last night.
Welcome to the family, Garbage Man McTrash. We call him Garbo for short. The vet clinic in which my job shares a parking lot found him in the garbage can. He came home last night and I was eating pizza and he tried to eat some of it. So I think the name fits.
I brought these gifts for you. They're up in my bum.
I was silent. Were you silent or were you silenced?
Ma'am? Ma'am? Ma'am?
On va aller dire bonjour à Maya. Maya, bonjour. Dis bonjour. Encore? Ah, salope.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh. We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
Okay, do it again. What are you?
I'm a serial killer.